achievements pa as Sheena and as Beanie?
Yes. My message to Mika in 5 years, no? 5 years. I hope that you are closer to the best version of yourself that you have always been aiming for. And sana wag ka mag-stray away from being a good person. Like, kahit sirain ka ng mundo. Tama!
Yes!
Kahit sirain ka ng mundo, you are still gonna choose kindness and you are still not gonna stoop down to the lowest of lows out there. Alagaan mo rin yung mga kotse mo madami.